Let's get over to meteorologist James Hopkins for a check of the forecast here. We are expecting a warm up this week, but we have a cold start to it.
And you can see that wind on the water where the bay usually looks typically smooth. It's not looking like that this morning. The bay is going to be rough throughout the day. So the weather impact alert goes till 9 a.m. today, again 2 a.m. to 9 a.m. tomorrow. Citrus, Pasco, Hernando counties, because that's where the temperatures are going to be the coldest. You're looking at possibly upper 30s, but a lot of widespread low to mid 40s up there. And again, this morning with that wind chill. So 52 in Tampa, 53 St. Petersburg, and 50 in Clearwater. And again, you see how rough that water looks out there because of those gusting winds into the 20s. And your satellite radar shows that we do have dry conditions, and we'll gradually get some clearing. There's going to be a lot of sunshine up to the north. The clouds are still going to linger down to the south, but those will gradually clear out a little bit. And we're going to see mostly sunny skies throughout the day. Dry for the first part of the week, but then we do have the potential for some showers. Now, I am tracking a cold front, but that's not Thursday. That's not till Friday evening. So we're going to get that shift of the wind, and that's what's going to bring us some moisture up into the area thanks to this high pressure, which will be moving its way offshore. There it goes. We get that turn of the wind that brings up the moisture for us as we go throughout the day on Thursday. And then we have the cold front coming in on Friday. It'll push that high pressure out further, so the flow from the south on Friday not as strong. So we're not looking at a rain chance even with the cold front coming through. And we're not really looking at a cool down because the front will dissipate and we'll get that wind shifting right back again as we go throughout the weekend. So where you're going to notice it barely is going to be for Saturday morning. So again, another cold start to tomorrow, and then you're going to see at or above average low temperatures for 9 of the next 10 days. Same thing for high temperatures. Cooler today, normal for Tuesday, and then look at the rest. 9 days, you got 78 to 81, so above average temperature. So today, we got a mix of sun and clouds, cool and breezy, 68 for the afternoon. Winds about 15 to 25 miles an hour, 20 to 25 knots across the bay, so it's going to be rough. Seas 5 to 7 feet, small craft advisory till 1 o'clock. And again, 50 for tonight is for around Tampa area, but you're going to see possibly, we'll see if we get to the upper 30s for Crystal River. Right now the forecast is for about 40. Then there's your warm up back to normal on Tuesday and then above it for the rest of the 7-day forecast. Hopefully get a few showers there on Thursday, but look at that weekend once again around 80 degrees Sunday, the first day of the winter solstice.